Hi, my name is Allison. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Contact Form 7 to your WordPress site. To get started, we're going to go to Plugins and Add New. Then in the search bar, you're going to search for Contact Form 7. Then it should be the first one that shows up right here, and you can go ahead and click Install. And then once it's installed, go to Installed Plugins and click Activate. Once it's activated, you'll notice a contact menu item shows up right here, and you can go ahead and click on that and then into the first Contact Form 1. In here you'll see the contact forms already created with the name, email, and other options, and you can go ahead and edit these and personalize them how you want. And then you can grab the shortcode right here, copy it, and go to one of your pages to insert it. So if I want my contact form on my homepage, I can go ahead and go in here, scroll down, and just enter it, and then go ahead and preview, and it should show up automatically. So right at the bottom of my blog where I put the code, I've got my awesome contact form. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our page and follow us on social media.